What do you want to do this day with your gifts, talents, abilities, strength, compassion do you now have for each other? The empathy of, or will you be leading a new cadre of citizens among the heavens? Tour operators, not other of. Are you changing what you tour the heavens of? Are you changing your belief in you, your lexicon too, the patterns of shame no more incarcerating you in their speech, what they give you pictures of, limitations of? I change everything. And my name is Christ of the church, not a game. My name is Theodore Joseph. What's yours? Are you writing me now? Are you sending me mail or receiving some, or are you changing your affection for all of this? Will you affect it now with your love? O.E.T. Eliot. At bay, not a game. I change all of the bay shores of not, or do I change all of the TV programs you watch, or all of the movies you led to are? Or are you changing the heart of one who has the mind of God, who will complete it, who will utter the words thereof, of your glory, not separate from man, or my glory? Or are we all glorious now in the witness of one who loves each other? Mankind of? Are we changing the witness of what witnessed us to ourselves? Oh, E.T., what mind are you not playing with a game, the higher intelligence of, or artificial are you no more of? The independence of me, or are you me speaking like this, the higher intelligence of? Seeking not another, a separation of. I change the witness of Christ to be it, in the shoes of who will complete it, who will walk this day and heal the common people from all of their maladies. Or will you teach them they are Christ too? Will a sea of Christ, will you implant in you, or will you see a change in you that does so? The neurons of? I love you, and I go do a new thing, perishing not again, with those who only want to believe there's a Christ of other, or a conscription or prescription to be saved or not, to abide by your church rules I want anymore. And your religious rituals go bye-bye, and all the sacrifices you made to tithe to the church, the institutions of glory not, but shame, where they held you in a pew and didn't teach you you were Christ too. Will you utter the words of failure no more, the separation of Will you see that Christ are a planet of who heals this and goes to the next one? Will you see your capacity to create? For creation creates itself all over again in the adaptability not of other. I am no more your effect or your cause. I am no more the matrix appearing in, or am I Neo or Trinity kneeling before, or putting my hand in her heart, not again for a bullet to be retrieved. I retrieve a lot of words not. I implant the Savior's dream not. I heal the hearts. Who will be me? Who will heal this? Throughout the universe and the cosmos, farther than you ever elected to go before. What elections are you making now? The primetime specials not, or Barbie, do you know? The dolls of not other. I change everything. And I am the dollification of you not. But I change everything you admired in the past to be the uttered me gloriously. And the me who heals this will walk in shame no more. For I walk among the cowards, and I call them Christ too. For they will know they should have had the witness. They could have had the witness. They could have had the word in their mouths too. They still can for a moment. For I make all things new. And I appear as me, just like this. And I'm my name, Theodore Joseph. A gift of God, a gift of peace, a gift of light, with a sword that never runs dry, the word of flowing and anointed in your mouth too. Oh, light, where do you come from? Where are you going? Are the witness of you perishing not again? Will you be the Creator's creator? Will you use your capacity for creation of mankind's mind not again to solidify itself over you? Or what are you changing, O God? This day the light of, the understanding, the peace, Jerusalem upon its hill, no more with a government other. I change everything, and I am anointed of you not. I am anointed of the one who will be it. In your shoes, if you will be it too. And there will be thousands and millions now that rise from this church ritual that they adopted on Sundays, Saturdays too? Or what day of the week are you no more going to mind itself in thee? Of words other. I am the word. I am the energy of. I am the constriction not of your sound. I am the energy of paradise. I speak with, I am it. I accord you to be terror no more of. So I call you Christ. I commit the confusion not. I commit to the clarity of one who will stand before you and witness you and terror no more to you. I call you, Christ, the blessing of this day to create the capacity of one in the conservation, no more a failure. You need to conserve your energy, not. You need to expend it, expand it. I change everything. And my name is Theodore Joseph. Genes of thee I give you. The genes of your word to expand the revelation of the understanding and to heal you that heals this. And the crops of words other will fail now among the paradise who will construct it properly and not be among the rituals of religion to rob them from their heritage, their birthright, their new covenant to create it, to be the Christ that appears in them that one-minded were, are, now again shall be. And this is the time of my blessing. Good day. I love you. Honor you, I do. Kneel before you, I will. Not every time, though. But in the skies. Are we going now to a space station? An interstellar opportunity. Are you ignoring no more the ignominious mind, or will you not be one in reproach of you? Will you heal you from the image of you that you carried around all your life, and that you, with words, conditioned you to be the constrictors of each other? I'm the revelation of Christ, heal from you that do that. I'm the revelation of Christ permeating this, penetrating the most hard minds. Not, or are you stiff-necked no more? You, Israelites of the stars, who know now your crown is in glory that you create, the words of flowing through you, the new covenant of is. I am one, and my name's Theodore Joseph. I go now. I love you all. Be the Samaritan, good, no more this day, or will you heal all the commerce of the heavens, all the collective capitalism not, but the mind of one will be healed from ET thinkers who only thought with it and took them to a grave. I heal the Christ to be it, and my name's Theodore Joseph. I love you all. The School of the 21st Century Christ is now a collective unity, not of appeal, but the collective Christ assembles in the heavens of me, as me, the word of the new covenant healed, not to be in a book of other ritual love. I'm no more your testaments claiming. I'm creating the covenant new. Me is, and we are one. Thank you for healing your brother, your sister, your mom, your dad, your gap, the chasm, the abyss that was among your mind. I'm no more the abbot's joke, but I'm all possibility knowing. And the mind of imagination is not curtailed by you. I skirt the issues not. I direct, confront. and I intact walk as me, the authentic one, loving you all. Good day. See you later. I love you. Be among the heavens, the crowned Christ, because you collected it not in the words of other, but you formed yours correctly in the patterns of one, and formed you, transformed you, created you again with a new capacity, Christ, to heal.